Join me as I dive deep into the latest Qbts stock update, and I'll try to predict if it's going to go up or down. Qbts is a company that has been on many investors' radar lately, and for good reason. Its stock performance has been making waves in the current market. As we all know, the market can be unpredictable, and Qbts stock is no exception. But what's driving its performance, and what can we expect from it in the near future? There's no denying that Qbts stock has been on a roller coaster ride lately. One day it's up, the next it's down, leaving many investors wondering what's going on. Just last week, we saw a significant dip, which raised concerns about its future trajectory. Many are asking themselves, is this a sign of things to come, or just a minor setback? I've been getting a lot of messages from you guys asking about Qbts, and I can understand why. The volatility is enough to make anyone nervous. But before we can make any predictions, we need to take a closer look at what's driving these fluctuations. Is it internal company news, external market trends, or something else entirely? Another thing to consider is the overall market sentiment. Are investors feeling bullish or bearish about Qbts right now? These are all important questions that need to be answered before we can make any educated guesses about its future performance. Let's dive into the factors that are affecting Qbts stock. Market trends are always a big player, and in this case, we're seeing a lot of uncertainty. With interest rates fluctuating and trade wars making headlines, it's no wonder investors are getting nervous. But company news has also been a major contributor to the recent fluctuations. Just last month, Qbts announced a major partnership deal, which initially sent its stock soaring. However, the gains were short-lived, and the stock soon fell back down to earth. Another key factor to consider is analyst predictions. What are the experts saying about Qbts' future? Are they bullish or bearish? According to recent reports, many analysts are taking a wait-and-see approach, which isn't exactly filling investors with confidence. However, some are predicting a rebound in the near future. But what's driving these predictions, and can we trust them? One thing is for sure, Qbts is a company that's not afraid to take risks and make bold moves. This can be both a blessing and a curse. On the one hand, it can lead to big gains, but on the other, it can also result in significant losses. So, what's the verdict? Will Qbts stock go up or down in the near future? Based on my analysis, I think Qbts stock has the potential to rise in the near future. But, and this is a big but, it's going to depend on a lot of factors, including how the market responds to its next earnings report and whether it can continue to execute on its business plan. If everything falls into place, I could see Qbts stock making a significant comeback. However, if things don't go as planned, we could see it continue to struggle. Let's recap the main points we've discussed today. We've taken a deep dive into Qbts stock and explored the factors that are driving its performance. We've looked at recent fluctuations, company news, market trends, and analyst predictions. And while there are no guarantees in the stock market, I believe Qbts has the potential to rise in the near future if it can execute on its business plan and the market responds favorably. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more stock updates, be sure to check out my other videos.